picture. So I went and I treated myself to the new Adidas. Now y'all know how I love my Adidas. Well, y'all should know. If y'all don't know, go to my TikTok, you'll find out. Adidas times Ivy Park, you know, Beyonce's Ivy Park Deck the Halls collection. Today is December 10th. Yesterday was December 9th. It dropped December 9th. I think it was 2 p.m. Anyway, I love latex. I have a couple of latex items. So I was excited to see the blue latex bodysuits and pants in the Deck the Halls collection. But I'm so disappointed. I am so disappointed. Y'all just don't understand. So they came today. I was actually shocked that they came so fast. But I got the bodysuit in a large. And the problem is, other than the fact that it feels like a plastic garbage bag, the crotch doesn't snap. I have a long torso, and the last Ivy Park bodysuit that I purchased, I needed to buy extenders, bodysuit extenders, in order to allow for the length of my torso. So this, you can't do that. But even if you could, I don't think that it would work, because this was so ridiculously short on me. Now I bought the large, which is the size that I wear in anything Adidas. It does have a zipper in the back that I could zip close, so it wasn't like it was just the size or my girth. I couldn't even get it to here. So cue picture. I'll show the picture. I couldn't even get it to here. Barely. If I had bodysuit extenders, I don't know. The breast cup seemed like it was big enough. It could fit. The straps are adjustable. I adjusted it to the complete length, and I literally just got it to here. Okay, so that's the bodysuit. No go. Being returned. Now the pants. I was excited for the pants because, as I said before, I love latex pants. I have 3 pair, especially with the 3 stripes on the side. But guys, y'all, ladies, it feels like a plastic bag. It feels like a glorified garbage bag in blue. The blue color is definitely not what is shown on the website, and I tried putting it on. I could tell that the waist was gonna fit. I did get these in an extra large because, you know, my booty is large. It doesn't have a whole lot of stretch at all, but I was scared to pull it up because, as you can see, there's a lot of stitching. And because of the quality of the latex, of the fabric, I was afraid that it was just gonna rip holes. So I didn't even get these up. So yeah, for $120, nah. If you want a good latex pants, go to Spanx. Spanx has faux patent leather latex pants that are amazing. I have 3 pair. I have 1 in each color. So this will be going back, unfortunately. And the thing is that I did order other things. I ordered a pair of pants, a pair of joggers, and also some corduroy high-waisted pants from ASOS, the Ivy Park Deck the Halls collection, hoping that I could wear them with the bodysuit, but that's not gonna happen, so I probably have to return those too. Anyway, this was my Mustang Confessions sidebar. Let me know if you want to see any more videos dealing with fashion. I think I'm always going to talk about it because I love it so much. But yeah, I'm in my Mustang, I'm in my baby, I'm in Ruby, and I just got these and I had to talk about it because I was just so ridiculously disappointed. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.